Hey there guys, welcome back to another amazing video. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing chart along with the animation in PowerPoint. So let's begin. First of all, you have to put down your color palette and everything you need on this template. And then you have to go to Insert tab and then chart. And then you have to select this chart and insert it. Decrease its size if you want to and adjust its size. Put it right here like this, go to format chart and then select these rectangles and give them each of them a different color. And here as you can see, I'll just change this color as well. So these are the colors that I'll use for now, and you have to insert this text box for the content text and the description text of all of these charts. So let me just duplicate this text because I just want to show you how to give it animation. So we'll just not use original text. So select all of these and group them. Now put them right below. And for this chart, give it fade animation and click on as categories and the effect options. Now go to animation pane, and from here what you have to do is just select all of the text and give it fade animation. Now you have to move each of the text box just below its category. Here you go. So after putting each of the text just below in the animation pan, this is a preview. So let's go and see the final results. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.